In this video, I will show you how you can lock the screen on any iPad. Now there are two methods to do so. The first method is if you want to lock the screen on a specific app. For example, if you have opened YouTube and you don't want to leave YouTube on your iPad. And the second method is if you want to open an app and you want to disable the touch on that specific app. Now to do either of them, just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Guided Access. And from here, just enable the toggle for Guided Access. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the app in which you want to lock the screen. For example, I will select YouTube. Now to lock the screen of your iPad, just press the power button of your iPad 3 times. After you do that, you will enter into this screen. From here, just tap on Session Settings. Now if you want to lock your iPad on this specific app, just enable all these features and select Start at the upper right corner on the screen. Now just create a PIN for guided access. Then enter the PIN one more time to confirm the PIN. And after you do that, you will lock your iPad on that specific app. As you can see, the touch is working, but you cannot go to the home screen or you cannot open the notifications panel and the control center. Now this was the first method. The second method is if you want to disable the touch of the screen on a specific app completely. Now to do that, first of all, let's turn off guided access. Now to do that, just press the power button 3 times. Now just enter the PIN which we have created. Now to disable the touch completely, we will use guided access again. After you enter into this section, now just tap on Session Settings, but this time just disable all these options. After you disable all these options, then just tap on Resume or Start, depending if you're resuming or starting guided access. And as you can see, we have disabled the touch completely, just like that. Now to turn off guided access, as I said earlier, just press the power button 3 times and enter the PIN which we have created. Now after you do that, then just select End. As you can see, the touch is working again and we have disabled guided access. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.